In 2002, I created PegaWeb web design and Photoshop tutorials, which was one of the most popular Photoshop sites of its time. And in 2009, I created the hugely popular Website Setup Guide, upon which most other simple website and blog setup guides and videos are based. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your own website or blog. In about 10 minutes, you can have your own amazing looking website or blog like these. You don't need to know anything about websites or blogging, or do any research. Everything you need to know is here. By the end of this short video, you'll be able to start creating your own site. In order to have your own website or blog, you'll need to do 3 things. Get a domain name, get web hosting, and create your site. I'll explain these things to you in this video. It's all fairly straightforward. What is a domain name? A domain name is just the web address of a site. YouTube.com or Amazon.co.uk, for example. You'll need to choose a domain name. Domain names must be unique. You can't choose one that's already taken by someone else. And almost all the good, short domain names were taken long ago. You'll probably have to come up with something at least 3 words long. If the name you want is taken, try adding upholstery.com should be available. Whatever name you choose, just keep it simple and obvious. Web hosting. Web hosting is where your site sits on a computer in a building somewhere when you put it on the internet. Web hosting should cost around $5 or so per month. Web hosting is the only thing you need to pay for in order to have a website. I'll show you how to sign up for web hosting and choose a domain name in a moment. Once you've signed up for web hosting and a domain name, it's time to create your site. The system I recommend you use is WordPress. It has a good combination of simplicity and depth, so it's easy to start with, but it has all the features and options you'll want later on. It's great for both regular websites and for blogs. These are some typical WordPress websites. Even nicer themes are available for a small fee. WordPress is simple to use. Everything is done from the control panel. Creating pages, adding blog posts, changing the layout. Now, let's get started. First, to sign up for web hosting. I host my websites with FatCow. They're simple, cheap, and provide good support. If you'd like to use FatCow, you can get a discount. Just go to fcdiscount.com and you'll get a discount of around 50% off the normal price. Just go through the steps of signing up. Choose a domain name. FatCow offers many extras, like site backup and security certificates. None of these are compulsory, but feel free to sign up for any that take your fancy. Now, you should be at FatCow. There's not much here yet, and it's using a very simple design. Just click the login link. You will have been emailed a username and password. Type them in here. And here we are. This is the control panel for your site. There are lots of things you can do in here, but the important ones are all in this Welcome to WordPress section. Let's start improving your website. Now, if you're making a website and not a blog, click Customize your site, and then set the front page of your website to be a normal web page, called a static page. Otherwise, your front page will be a blog. You can still have a blog, called a posts page, if you like, but I'll leave that out for now. Now, if you're making a blog, it's time to write your first blog post. Or if you're making a website, it's time to edit your front page. And there it is. Now, let's go back to the dashboard and continue. You can add more pages or posts, view your site, or allow or disallow the posting of comments. A header image while we're here. Looking good. That's basically it. Are you ready to start making your own website or blog now? Head to FatCow by using the address fcdiscount.com to get the cheaper price and sign up. Then install WordPress and start making your site. If at any stage you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below or talk to Fat Cow's Life